This Coldwell Banker Welcome Home Realty property video is presented by Carla Malone. This wonderful two-story is located just outside of city limits and sits on a beautiful 1.34-acre lot. Home has 4 bedrooms, 4 baths and a 5-stall garage. The main level offers an open floor plan to include a family room with gas fireplace and built-ins. Large eat-in kitchen with center island, Cambria countertops, lots of cabinets and a pantry. There is also a door from the kitchen leading to an outside exposed aggregate patio with /hot tub and outdoor speakers for all of your fun outdoor entertaining. Formal dining room with built-ins, office/den, half bath and large laundry room with lots of storage off the garage. Upper level has the large master suite with full bath and walk-in closet. 3 more good-sized bedrooms and a full bath. The basement level is presently being used as one big game room with bar, half bath, exercise/storage room and mechanical room. There are stairs leading up to the 5-stall garage from this level as well. Outside offers room for all kinds of outdoor activities with a patio and shed. For more information,